Welcome to DJM TV.
Yes, so my people, greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJM TV. My people, still on this MOhbad matter. Una no say Naija police, they talk say they go look into the matter, they will start their investigation. Right now, they don't begin their investigation as they talk. They don't call the family of MOhbad, they don't call them, call the families, all of them don't come together, they don't start investigation. My people, I know we'll talk too much. I'll play on this video, I'm gonna watch, I'm gonna listen to these policemen. How they say they want to do the investigation, how they want to start and everything. Look now, watch and make not forget to like and share. Watch the video.
In order to ensure that the investigative goals are achieved. So at this moment, I wish to appeal that much as social media could be helpful, we should now refocus any pieces of evidence that could assist us. We should redirect to the investigation team instead of reducing it to the social media frenzy. It will not help at this moment. The grieving family needs succor. They need space. They need sympathy to mourn. They need to respect their space at this time. The best I think we can do for them is to now work with the police, work with the family, in order to assist us to get justice in this case. The team they've been charged to hit the ground running immediately. And as soon as this inauguration is concluded, their tasks have been set out. And you will start seeing progress from today. So on this note, I thank you. And of course, I will keep relying on you as very strategic partners in supporting us in this our very complex and challenging task. Thank you.
So thank you very much. I'll be proceeding downstairs. We are not allowing any interview for the family members yet. Not today.
Live feeds there from a briefing by the Lagos State Police Command on the death of Promise Oladimeji Aloba, popularly known as MOhbad. He died on Tuesday, and MOhbad was formerly signed to Naira Marley's Malian Music. There have been a lot of controversy following the passing of the singer, rapper, and songwriter. And just as we've heard the Commissioner of Police, Idowu Owonwa, mentioned there, a team would be inaugurated today and they expected to hit the ground running in unraveling the mystery surrounding the death of MOhbad. And he believes that would actually begin to see progress from today as investigations continue. He's also appealed to members of the public when they are able to lay their hands on pieces of information, on evidence, rather than take it to social media to report it to security agencies. And right beside the CP,
we want to undertake a fair and open investigation. And we don't want to isolate specific characters. All facts, including videos, including personalities that have been mentioned, including those not even mentioned but we do know from our homicide investigation experience, could be vital to get into the root. So I don't want to reduce it to a specific name at this moment. Let's proceed with the investigation, and as we have needs to identify individuals, which could be wider, we will pick on whoever we believe from investigation is linked, and we will encourage such a person or bring such a person within the dictates of the law to come and clarify their level of involvement. Whoever, wherever you are in this world, do not forget, we have a unique assets in Interpol. So I don't for now want to limit and start mentioning specific individuals. Everybody linked to it will be identified, and they will be brought to establish their level of liability.
Excuse me, sir. Before now, there are insinuations that probably the family have been threatened to volunteer information. So we just want to know how secure or what protection do you have for the family and those who are coming to volunteer information.
Okay, so that is why I encourage that we should be careful with the deployment of social media. You see, if the family cannot, there's absolutely no basis to threaten a grieving family. They are here. I've interacted with them. They have indicated their commitment to get into the route. We've actually received preliminary briefings from them. So we want to appeal to the social media activists to please give the police the space to do what we know best, and that is to investigate. And we will investigate and ensure that our investigation is in line with established homicide protocol, and we'll get justice.
Okay, sir. Forensic analysis and investigation is very vital in this meeting. What is the level? I wouldn't know the workability of the forensic department and the state criminal investigation department, sir.
The Naija police have a very unique forensic capability, and it will be brought to play here. Don't be in doubt about that.
So, sir, I would like to ask, I know you said you have a conversation with your family, and we'd like to know why the rush, because that's the basic thing that people are asking. Why the rush, since police are going to step in, or they're going to bring the case to the police, to step into the case, why the rush in preparing MOhbad in the first place?
Investigation will establish that.
One more.
Okay.
Sir, sorry, I don't know if you talked or I can't know. No, we can hear your voice. Okay, if you talked on social media, my question is, your special team, are they also going to explore those videos that are all over social media? Is it going to form part of the investigation?
I can confirm to you that even now, all those videos so far posted have been compiled and are being technically examined, and they will form part of the basis of our inquisition. So they are vital, and we'll definitely look into them.
So, yesterday, the Abuja volunteer, she did a video that she's ready to work with the police, never in which way they are working. Is the police department ready to work with the likes of the Abuja and every other concerned Nigerians as regards to MOhbad?
We are ready to work with any well-meaning Nigerian who is a witness, who has vital pieces of information that will assist us. Any Nigerian.
Thank you very much, sir. So we'll proceed downstairs for our breaking news.
DJ P0lice.